The Laresar Mars01 robot vacuum combo is a versatile cleaning device that combines sweeping, mopping, and vacuuming functions to provide a comprehensive cleaning solution for your home. Its intelligent mapping technology efficiently navigates your home and allows you to set no-go zones, ensuring it avoids areas like pet zones or delicate furniture. With a powerful suction of up to 5,000 pascals, this robot vacuum effectively cleans carpets, hard floors, pet hair, and other debris while adjusting suction strength based on floor type. Equipped with a high-capacity battery, the Mars01 can run for up to 180 minutes on a single charge, allowing for extensive cleaning sessions without interruption. The Laresar app and voice control compatibility make it easy to control the vacuum from anywhere in your home, set cleaning schedules, and monitor progress. User-friendly and easy to maintain, the vacuum features a simple control panel, self-charging capability, and a low-noise operation for a peaceful cleaning experience.